Okay. And I added Yusha actually will be reviewing your answer behind the scene.
Oh yeah, I know a lot of people already got um their answers
Okay. He is
like
reviewing your answer now.
reviewed, but like ours haven't been reviewed.
Not yet. Yeah, he'll be reviewing because it's okay. Because we give enough time. Because we try to give you guys more work, hands-on thing. You guys have a different journey. Okay. So if our team start putting the pressure on you, the technical question, then you will be distracted. Yes. So let's focus on the hands-on thing. Hands-on thing is you writing the user story, understanding the application, writing the features, and the link with the user story. These are the like your core job. If you can do this part very well, you are in the driving seat. Remaining things will be easy. But this part, if this part is not done properly, you'll not be successful there. You'll be in trouble. But yeah, did I answer your question?
Yes.
That's the reason we do not put anything for you guys. Do not put any extra pressure. All you guys do this, what you're doing. Because you guys, once you guys do the product owner test, or the actual test for the certification, that time you guys will getting everything you need. Means all the questions will be the reviewed and answered. Okay. So Farhana, you can answer. If you do wrong answer, we do not allow you. We do not answer for you. The goal is you have to find out yourself, because that's actually the challenge here, right? So that bring the 5 things. Focus on the workshop, go back to the workshop, taking notes from the workshop, and then you can answer. So all this practice, you actually grow. When you go to any project, you keep doing the same thing. And this is the reason we intentionally decided not to give the answer, but we have all the answer. Yeah. And do you guys have any like the summary you guys wrote? Any of the summary? Or yeah, any of the summary did you write here yet?
I wrote summary for the first ones that was already unlocked in the beginning.
Okay.
But the rest wasn't unlocked, so I never wrote a summary for those.
Got it. So slowly we'll be unlocking your things. Slowly. Okay. We will be still locking for a while, but eventually we'll be unlocking. Then you guys will be able to write the summary. Okay. Any question?
Okay, you told us to do the web manual part.
Which one?
Program. Remember set.
Web element?
Yes.
Yes.
That part.
Did you guys finish that? Web element is very important part.
Okay, let me check. What is it called?
Web element 62.
Familiar with web elements, 62 classes. I don't know. Does the document work? It's also documents.
Yeah, we have the presentation there too, right? We have the presentation here. Are you guys able to open it up?
View slide or view slide as document?
View slide. Can you share the screen? Yeah, please go ahead.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll have to join from.
This is the key. When you'll be writing why did you join from the phone?
Because my mic doesn't work from my laptop.
Okay, so you have your laptop, and then just share the laptop, and you're fine with the phone.
Yes, that's what I'm doing.
Yes. So this web element, just do the couple time of practice. This will set you different from other product owner. I'm seriously telling you, okay?
Recording.
Yeah, go ahead.
It is tabs open. Where am I? I think it's here. It's this
Yeah,
one.
use slides,
Yeah, this is the one.
full screen.
Oh my. Okay, hold on. Oh my, there's so many tabs.
Full screen. Okay.
Oh no, hold on. So, here you go.
No, go back. We give
Oh,
you the postman only 2 sections. There is 2 sections, Bengali and English. Both section, like a Bengali represent English. Those section is important. At the QA, they get the advanced one. You don't need it.
We get the basic one.
Yes, yes. You get the basic and you need the swagger, you need the postman, those basic, yes. What are you doing? What are you trying to accomplish?
no, just to show you where I went.
Yes, yes, please.
Just open
View.
this overview.
Yep.
And then it's all the way down. This one. So
Yes,
I click this, right?
Yes,
I
please.
click this.
Yeah,
and
click
then-
it.
oh, no. I click this, and this is what I get. The slides.
The full screen, full screen. Full screen.
Full screen. Oh,
Full screen, yes, please. Okay. So now the arrow key.
this is what we went over in the workshop.
Okay, good. Yes. I'm just saying. Did you guys finish this?
Button. And I saw
Okay.
this.
Yeah,
I
this
was there during the workshop for this.
can you explain again? Can you repeat again?
I said I was on the workshop when you did
Sure.
this. You did
Okay,
this
so
with
you're good. So now you should, Faria, it means now you should be able to explain when you write the user story to the point based on the what is the web element name should be correct or the title should be.
Mhm.
Practice, do a couple time practice. This is important.
The link
Good.
button, dash, and default, primary.
Okay.
Yes.
Anyway, you can stop sharing your screen. So take advantage because it will be a problem if you write the user story, other people do not understand, and if they keep telling you, oh, you mean this, oh, you mean this, you meant that, it's a problem. So people will say, well, we do not understand his user story at all. It should be saying this word, he said that word. And developer, if they start developing based on your wording, and the QA will actually go through the headache. The QA will tell the developer, hey, what happened? Developer will say, look at the user story. Right? Developer will refer to look at the user story. That's what it said. So make sure you guys do this part is very important.